Hey guys, Michael Stillwell here from Stillwell Pianos in Mesa, Arizona, and I'm sitting in front of a 1908 Hardman piano. A lot of you guys have heard of Hardman Peck pianos because it's a stencil that's out there right now. So what that means is somebody bought that name and they stencil that name on Asian pianos, but this is a real American Hardman piano. And obviously you can see it has a beautiful matchbooked black walnut, American walnut finish. The veneer isn't perfect on this piano. There's some chips and stuff, but the grain is so dramatic that you don't even really notice them. The piano was rebuilt itself. They did new hammers on the piano. They restrung the piano. This happened all before we got it. The keys are in phenomenal condition and they are not plastic. But what I love about this piano is the sustain. This thing will sustain forever. But I'll play it for you a little bit. I'm not the best player in the world, but hopefully this will kind of help you understand what this piano sounds like. Really easy to play, very soft and sweet on this piano, but it just has a huge bass too. For being only 5'9" and being able to it just punches. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions about this particular piano or any other pianos in our store, please feel free to give us a call or just shoot me an email at michael@stillwellpianos.com. Thanks for watching, guys.